For the first method, we're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Once we're on it, we're going to expand universal serial bus controllers, and then we want to double click on all of them. So for the first one, we're going to double click on it, and then if you have power management, select it, and then you want to turn off, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, and click on OK. You want to check all of them, so you want to click on all of them and check if it has power management. If it does, uncheck this and click on OK. Some of them don't have it, so that's why you need to check all of them. For the second step, head over to search and type in camera, then click on app settings. Once you're on it, we're going to scroll down. First, you want to try to repair your camera, and then if it's still not working, click on reset and see if that works. For the last step, right click on the Windows Start icon and click on device manager. Once you're on it, you want to expand cameras, then you want to right click on your camera, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. If the best one has been installed, then we're going to go back, then we're going to click on browse my computer for drivers, and then click on let me pick from list available drivers on my computer. And then you want to select everything that might come up here, then click on next, and then try to install it to see if that works. If that's still not working, you want to right click on your camera, click on disable device, click on yes, and then you want to right click on it again and then click on enable device. And then restart your computer, see if that fixes the problem.